In this presentation, you are going to learn about East Asia Summit. Let's start. The East Asia Summit, or EAS, is a premier forum based in the Indo-Pacific region for strategic dialogue. The East Asia Summit is the only leader-led forum at which all key Indo-Pacific partners meet to discuss political, security, and economic challenges facing the region, and has an important role to play in advancing closer regional cooperation. The East Asia Summit represents about 53% of the world's population and accounted for 59.5% of the global GDP, worth an estimated about $57.2 trillion. The East Asia Summit is held annually in ASEAN countries on a rotating basis and attended by all East Asia Summit heads of state. Let's move on. First summit. The first summit of the group was held in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia on 14th December 2005. Headquarters. The East Asia Summit is a forum to address regional issues, and group does not have any permanent headquarters till now. Members. Currently, East Asia Summit has 18 permanent members. Members are Australia, Brunei, Cambodia, China, India, Indonesia, Japan, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, New Zealand, Philippines, Russia, Singapore, South Korea, Thailand, United States, and Vietnam. Let's move on. Objectives of East Asia Summit. The main objectives of the East Asia Summit are to cooperate on broad strategic, political, and economic issues of common interest and concern with the aim of promoting peace, stability, and economic prosperity in East Asia. The East Asia Summit has identified 6 priority areas of cooperation, namely environment and energy, education, finance, global health issues and pandemic diseases, natural disaster management, and ASEAN connectivity. The East Asia Summit also discussed cooperation in other areas and emerging issues such as food security, trade and economics, maritime security and cooperation, and traditional and non-traditional security issues. That's it for now. We will come back with a different topic. Till then, keep watching NaRvi Academy.